In this video, we will see about SystemVerilog data type and Verilog data type. So basically here we will see what is the difference between SystemVerilog and Verilog data types. Okay, so let's start with the Verilog data type. So Verilog supports only 4-state data type. Now here one word is there, that is 4-state. So we will see what is the meaning of 4-state. So it means a variable that can store 0, 1, x and z. So a variable which can store these 4 type of value, that is called as 4-state variable, 4-state data type. Okay. So here the meaning of x is what? Unknown. Unknown means metastability state. Suppose any circuit output is 0 or 1, we don't know, right? So that is called as metastability state of the circuit. So suppose you have flip-flop, okay, and that flip-flop output is unpredictable. Unpredictable means it can be 0 or it can be 1. We don't know what will be. In that case, we are saying the output of that flip-flop is in metastability state. Okay, so that is nothing but x. So we are denoting it by, we denotes with x. Now in real time you see the chip, that time it won't be there, but during the simulation we have to take care of this, right? That time during the simulation tool won't fix it 1 or 0, it will come as x. Okay, and the z is high impedance. So any floating input that will result in high impedance, like open circuit, right? Open circuit is nothing but the resistance will be too much, like resistance will be infinite between open circuit. So that is nothing but a high impedance. Okay, now Verilog data type are categorized as a net and reg. Okay, so when we are talking about Verilog data type, then that data type will be categorized based on net data type and reg data type. So first we will see what is a net data type. So net data type is what? It does not hold any data. Means what? It cannot store any data. It can only carry data from output of one gate to input of other gate, or you can say output of one flip-flop to input of another flip-flop. All those things will be nets only. Okay, so what nets represent? It represent physical wide connection between two components. Okay, so it is nothing but a connection, it's nothing but a wire which is used to connect between multiple components. Okay, what is the example of that? Wire is a data type which is comes under net type. Try, okay, all these things are comes under net data type. Okay, I hope you understand. War, supply 0, supply 1, wand, whatever it is. Okay, all these things comes under Verilog net data type. Now let's talk about reg data type. So simple reg data type means what? It can store the data. A variable, a data type which can store, a variable which can store the data. Actually it will store some data. Okay, what are those? We have a reg, integer, time, real time. Apart from that you have logic, bit. All those are reg type of data type. Okay, and then let's talk about SystemVerilog data type. Now we have seen Verilog data type, now we will see SystemVerilog data type. What are those? So see, first we need to define what are the difference between SystemVerilog and Verilog. So SystemVerilog supports 4-state as well as 2-state data type. Okay, in Verilog we had only 4-state data type. In SystemVerilog we have 2-state data type also. So 4-state means, what is the 4-state means? It can hold 0, 1, x and z. I already told you. 2-state means it can only store 0 and 1. So data type which can only store 0 and 1, that is nothing but 2-state data type. Okay, now what, like in simple word, what you can tell? SystemVerilog data type is nothing but Verilog data type plus additional some 2-state data type. Okay, this is nothing but your SystemVerilog data type. SystemVerilog data type will have all the data type which is present, which was present in Verilog. Apart from that, they add some more data type. So for example, this is a 2-state data type. Okay, the example of 2-state data type. It can hold, what is the meaning of 2-state? It can store 0 and 1. 0, 1 it can store. Okay, And what are those? Example, two state data type, example bit. So bit will store 1 bit, and what will be the value? Either it can store 0 or 1 only. Byte also it can store 0 or 1 only. A short int, long int, all these data type are two state data type which can only store 0 or 1, not x, not not x, not z. What do I mean? It can store 0 and 1 only means the output when you are using this now, the by default value it will come as what? 0 or 1 only, because it is two state data type. That is why. Now we have some example of four state data type. What are those? So four state data type, it can store 0, 1, z and x. All this kind of value it can store. So first we have logic. Now it's a replacement in a, okay, don't read this thing, just I wrote for the what you can say, for the little bit understanding. It's a replacement for reg in most of RTL code. Okay, now we have reg, integer, time, all those data type are what? Four state data type. Okay, okay, so this is the content for this video. If you like feel you understood something, if you learn something from this video, then please like the video and subscribe for the more update. Bye bye.